Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start any program in a TCL washing machine. And to do this, first you will need to pick one of the programs that are available right here. And first one is Mix, then there's Express 18, Wool, Shirt, Sportswear, then there's Intensive, Bedding, Allergy, we also have a cotton, pre-wash, Eco 40 to 60 in 20 degrees temperature, delicate, True Clean, and spin. And the last one is rinse and spin. And now if we selected, for example, the cotton program, we can change the temperature by clicking on this button right here, so pick whichever temperature you like. Then you can adjust the speed and the delay for starting. And then when you're ready, press on start and pause, and the washing machine should start. Or if you selected the delay, it will start at the time that you picked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.